Okay, everybody, welcome to my 400th video special. I just wanted to say thank you so much for the journey we've had. I hope to put out a lot more videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are heading to a brand new site of Tommy's Express. It's in a developing area. It was just open, and we're gonna go through it and get the top wash. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. This is the option we're getting, the works, number 1. Here we are going through the cashier, and let's go through it. And in we go. Neutral. Here we go. Ceramic wax. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Overall, I'd say it gets an 8 out of 10. It was very good, but I've obviously seen better. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more. You know exactly what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.